Giants occur frequently in traditional Scottish folklore, and in particular are associated with the landscape and peoples of Western Scotland. One of the enduring stories relating to the Old Man of Storr is that it was the thumb of a giant who, when he died, became buried in the earth. Place a cube of crystallized ginger onto a cocktail stick. Chill an old-fashioned glass and put to one side. Collect a cocktail shaker. Add Royale ginger, which will give the drink a lovely spicy bite. Fresh lemon juice brings natural acidity and balance. Drambuie is a blend of Scotch whisky, heather honey, and a secret blend of herbs and spices. Talisker is the Isle of Skye's most famous single malt that is renowned for its coastal, spicy, peaty character. Naked Grouse is a uniquely blended whisky based around the Highland Park and Macallan. It is extra matured in naked first fill sherry casks to create layers of rich and fruity flavour. Add cubed ice and shake for 10 seconds. Open. Dip taste. Drain excess water from the old-fashioned glass. Fine strain. Carefully position the crystallized ginger garnish into the top of the cocktail. Rinse equipment and replace. Present and serve.